Y'all, we're here at the Paramount Theater at South by Southwest with the country queen herself, Miss Lainey Wilson, ahead of her documentary premiere. All right, Lainey, let's start with this. Why is now the right time to share a more vulnerable side of yourself through this documentary?
You know, I think I get to do that with my music.
Yeah.
I feel like the more songs I write, the longer I'm in this business, I feel like I dig a little deeper. But this was the time of my career where I felt like, man, I want to be able to go back and watch this 20 years from now. I want to see like the moment when things finally started to like really shift for me. And I think when you're going through a big shift like that, you learn a lot about yourself and the journey.
Do. Yeah, and I love that. I was reading that in this film, we kind of get to see a more personal side of you and some of your struggles. Can you tease for me what some of the things that you've been battling are that we're going to get to see in this documentary?
100%. You know, I definitely open up about just this business making you anxious, you know, and to tell you the truth, it probably didn't start just with this business, you know, it's a little bit childhood, but yeah, just learning how to navigate it all. And what I've learned is like, the more you talk about it, the more you realize that you're not alone and that other people deal with it too. And sometimes I think it's okay to not act like you got it all together.
Yeah. Matter of fact, I think that's more important to be that way.
I agree.
Yeah.
I agree.
You have this amazing, extensive catalog that a lot of people know. Is there a song that maybe means the most to you, or you're the most proud of when you get to perform it?
Oh my gosh. I have a song called Middle of It that was on the Whirlwind record, and I feel like I've just had a lot of moments during shows where, you know, I call it an energy exchange with the fans. It's like what I'm putting out, they're giving back, and whatever they're putting, it's just like this moment. And going back to what we're hitting in some of the documentary is struggles that we've had, and I see it of just like, hey, we all in this together.
Yeah.
We might feel like we are smack dab in the middle of it, but let's just link arms and march through it.
Yeah. In what way do you hope audiences and your fans feel seen by your story in this film?
I feel like I definitely like open up the door, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Not even just like behind the curtain, because of course you get to see like things like backstage and things like that, but I welcome you into my home. I welcome you into my relationships with my people, even my relationships that I have with my fans. And I think that's where, I don't know, like that was one of my favorite things about watching the documentary back. I said, man, I got some good people in my life, people that love me and don't want to see me change, but instead want to see me grow and evolve. And that's very rare for a business like this.
Yeah, and I think we all need to be reminded of that at times. So I think that's really powerful. I love that this is called Lainey Wilson, Keepin Country Cool. What do you think makes country so cool?
You know, just, of course, the genre is, you know, it's the best.
Yeah.
But when I think of country, I think of like where I'm from. I think about like the way that I was raised by the people who raised me. I think about folks that would just like give you the shirt off their back and welcome people with open arms, and that's how my folks raised me. And so when I think of country, that's what I think of.
Yeah, I love that. Final question for you real quick. What does it mean to you to be here in Austin and premiere this here at South by?
This is crazy.
Yeah.
This is, I'm not even gonna act like, I mean, this is, I woke up this morning and looked out my window in a hotel, and I'm just like, this is something that you can't completely wrap your head around. You kind of just gotta like let it happen and then think about it, but I feel so blessed and thankful.
Well, everything is meant to be, so remember that, just like meeting you here today. So thank you so much. Congrats on the premiere, and thanks for all that you've done. Y'all, Amy Scott and Lainey Wilson were so amazing. You can check out this brand new documentary coming soon to Netflix, but also check out all of our South by Southwest coverage and more content from A-List at KXAN.com, and follow us on social media.